Look at this, guys. In this moment, the inverter charger is working in the mode charger. What is the meaning of that? But I have power entering here through the short power line. You see? I have power, and the power is coming in, and the power is entering here, 120 volts coming from the short power. However, this element is working like a charger, charging the battery banks, because this element detects that the level of charge in the batteries is low and is charging right now. However, it's charging, but I have power in my AC panel, and I have power here, 120 volts in my AC panel. What is the meaning of that? Not all the power entering from the short power is used for the charger. Some portion of that power is entering directly in the panel. Everybody follow me, guys? This is the interesting part. In the traditional inverters, now the smart inverters, they have a AC in, AC out, and AC in. Terminal for AC current coming in and AC current coming out. Of course, the AC current coming out enter in the switch selector, and to the switch select, from the switch selector into the main breaker of the AC panel. This is the power coming out. What is the power coming in for this traditional inverter? It's a power, look, it's a power that is coming in when the inverter is not producing power from the batteries. Is the boat is running with generator or short power, feeding the AC panel. In that AC panel, one breaker is inverter slash charger. And this is the power coming in.
Right. And you flip that on the power drop.
Only to activate the small battery charger located here to keep the batteries fully charged. Immediately, the inverter produce power, not receive. Doesn't matter if that cable is entering here, no receive, no produce. It's different than this one. You remember that one charging the batteries and receiving?
And it's any excess too. Like
Correct.
Excess, it'll feed it back at the same time.
Correct. It's completely different.
Right.
This one, no. Excuse me. Some people say, the breaker to activate the inverter in my boat is located in the AC panel. I am talking about the traditional boat. That breaker is not to activate the inverter.
No, it's short.
This is the breaker for the charger of the inverter. That breaker should be on all the time, because when I change for short power or a generator, I have power in the panel and I send power here to recharge that battery bank. That's clear? But that breaker is exclusive for the charger located inside of the inverter. Everybody follow me?
And it should be on all the time.
And should be on all the time, because when the panel is not in generator mode, is in short power mode. If it's in inverter mode, that power doesn't matter that enter here, the inverter no accept, no use that power. That's okay, guys? This is in the old traditional boats, in the old traditional inverter.